Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 23rd, 2022. We're going to talk about crypto.com today, or CRO, and we're going to try to see whether or not this particular market is still going to go higher in price. You guys can see that recently, if you guys have been watching the news or any articles with crypto.com, they have laid off some of their staff, which kind of seems as if they're trying to get prepared for some things down the road that could impact the daily business operations of this particular company. Now, I wanted to come in and see if that's going to affect this currency's price, because if so, then we need to be positioned or at least prepared for the next move. So I'm going to talk about that today. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You all appreciate my videos and my content. I am not here. I will not come through and pump up cryptocurrencies and give you a lot of fear, FUD, or even FOMO. I'm just simply here just to show you all that this is not a complicated game and that anybody is able to consistently make money. So you guys can see I did a video in CRO. The last one I've done was on July the 24th. You guys can see as I zoom in on this price chart that I was still bullish into the market in CRO. I was looking for the market to continue to trend higher because this price prediction has been on the chart since June 27th, and the market has taken its slow, methodical time to see price go up. But eventually, you guys can see here close to the area to where I said the market's going to top out, that the market came right here on August the 2nd and the 3rd. The market in CRO came up there towards 16 cents. See, I was already positioned. I was telling you all to be prepared to leave the market right around that area, and that is exactly what's been going on. Price in CRO has not been trending above 16 cents since then. And then recently we just saw the market, 5 days ago, down 12, almost 13%. That is why you need to know when to come into the market and when to leave the market with your profitability. So congratulations to those who also saw the same thing that we talked about on the videos recently for CRO, because you was able to at least get 26% off the market move in CRO. That is done. That is over. Let's take a look and see what they're trying to do next in CRO. Told you already that crypto.com has laid off some of their staff, trying to get prepared to see the market in CRO go through some hardships. I think that a lot of cryptocurrency businesses and companies are going to go through the same thing. They're just trying to get prepared for the overall hit that the cryptocurrency space is going to go through. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. I wanted to revamp or revise this price chart to show you all that this particular cryptocurrency is still trending in a upward fashion. We haven't broken this ascending line just yet in the market in CRO, okay, which is a very positive indication to tell us that this market may not be through with going higher. Okay, now what happened here on August the 19th though? All right, keep that in mind. That's 13% move in one day on top of these particular days as well. So let me give you all this right here. These 2 days, okay, August the 2nd and the 3rd, has given us indication that there's more sellers into the market in CRO right there around 15.5 to 16 cents. That is what led into what occurred here on August the 17th and also what occurred on the 19th. So in the overall grand scheme of things, this market in CRO is still weak. Okay, let's not be oblivious and say, well, since the price in CRO has not broken this ascending line, that the market is still bullish. Yes, visually it is. But when you see what's been going on recently, we are definitely still seeing that the market overall is still trending down. So the biggest hurdle that we need to see is the buyers continue to hold this ascending line, period. Okay, that's the name of the game right now, is for the buyers to confirm that they're willing to buy CRO around 12 cents. Okay, so let's look at this market in CRO on a 2-day chart, because you guys can see that yes, buyers did come through the last 2 days, right? The market in CRO did not continue to go down following this 2-day price bar, but instead it closed higher. So currently the buyers are doing a fantastic job as of holding this particular market. Now, same thing on the 3-day chart. You guys can see right here on this 3-day price bar that the market made a big move to the downside. It fell 18% in the last 3 days there, but on this current 3-day price bar we did not see the market fall. Buyers came into the market in CRO, which is fantastic because it takes us right here at our ascending line. We need to continue to see that occur in the market in CRO. All right. So what should we do? How should we be thinking? Well, we should be thinking that the buyers need to hold this trend line. If so, we will continue to see the market trend higher. If not, we know that the market's going to continue to fall and plummet to the downside. So let me look at this on the hourly chart, because that should give us a better depiction as to whether or not the buyers are coming in and sustaining this price. Okay, so let's see this on the 3-hour chart. Okay, and currently, yes, the market here in CRO is definitely invigorated, trying to move the market higher. I can see that on the hourly chart, but my concern is seeing this price here. Okay, we need to see the market in CRO break 13 cents to the upside. Okay, and currently I do suspect that that's going to happen on an hourly perspective, not on a daily perspective. This needs to happen relatively quick over the next couple of hours in order for us to see the market in CRO go higher. Now we might just run up to 13.5 cents to 14 cents, and then that weakness that we've seen on a daily time frame will come back into the market and push this currency back down well below this ascending line. This is how we need to travail and traverse through this market right now. You got to be agile. You got to be versatile in your thinking as to how you think this is going to play out. Because currently I do see that the market in CRO from an intraday basis is giving us some strength, right? It is. But on a daily basis, it is not. Not yet. Okay? Not yet. So what I'm going to do, depending on your time preference or your time frame, is how you should be moving. If you're looking for the market on a daily basis, yeah, you might want to be prepared to see CRO go down, right? Especially if we don't see the market break 13 cents to the upside. That would be the nail in the coffin for the buyers if they're not able to take this price in CRO above 13 cents. I'm just going to tell you that straight. Okay. So now let's see what we got though, because if the market on the intraday basis is not going to give us a big move to the upside, we might just want to leave it alone, right? So 13 cents from where price currently is in CRO right now, that will grant us around 2% movement. 2%. If we're able to see the market in CRO come up here towards 13.5 that I mentioned as well, that gives us around 6%, right? 6%. Then you guys can see it right there on 14. It gives us around 10% profitability into the market for CRO. Now what I'm going to do, that since I'm seeing that the ability of the buyers are still here in the market, I am going to play some strength here. I'm going to continue to expect the market in CRO to go up. Now I got 3 price targets though. Okay, just 3. The first one is relatively close, 13 cents. Second one is 13.5. Third one is 14 cents into the market in CRO. All right. So we're going to go ahead and continue to play this into the market. We're going to look for this particular price in CRO to go up, but not that high. Okay, so I'm not going to be massively bullish in the market in CRO. Just looking for the market just to continue to trend a little bit higher. Definitely keeping my eyes open on 13 cents, 13.5 cents to see if the buyers really want to move the market higher. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, price target in the market for CRO, and let me know where the market is headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.